On our Orcas Cove kayaking tour, our focus is on getting out into the wilderness and getting away from the hustle and bustle of Ketchikan. Your journey begins with a short boat ride out to Orcas Cove, where you'll meet up with your guide and kayaks. Once on the water, you'll have plenty of time to take in the natural beauty of this area. You might see anything from deer to bears, bald eagles, whales, and lots of other sea creatures along the way. This small group tour is the perfect introduction to Ketchikan's untouched wilderness. This is the perfect excursion for those who want to spend more time experiencing the beauty of Alaska's waterways.